Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And yesterday I did a video on how to do a contour. Well, I had no clue what he was going to do. And he's using a plasma table. And he uses rounded edges, which is smart on a plasma table. And it really looks good. It looks like he's actually inset this somehow. Just for the one that's doing this, I think he's pretty new to this. You really need to sand off this burn residue. Hopefully you've done that. You just were anxious to take a picture. But he needs a 1/2 inch offset and then a 1/2 inch line. So here's how you would do it. And move this, whoop. You can see it's ungrouped together. And I'm gonna go a little slower because he said I was going too fast. So go to the boundary tool right here. And you've got your boundary tool and you can see it made a boundary. Before we do that, we need to set our nudge factor on like 9 inches, which it is. So we'll select it all, go up the boundary tool, and I always like moving it out of the way just so you can see. Then go to Object. No, excuse me, go to Effects and go to Contour. We're gonna contour 0.5 times 2 steps with rounded corners. So 2 steps mean it's going to contour twice, and it's going to contour each of them a 1/2 inch. So there's his contour. So you could do he was having trouble breaking it apart. Well, one thing you can do, you can break it apart, but two things or the other thing you could do is just to smart fill that in, and then left click, meaning no fill where that line is, and then right click with a hairline, and there's that contour. But that's not probably, I mean, that's a good way to do it. But with this selected, go up to Object and break the contour apart. And then just take that inner line, and there's your item to cut with your plasma table. Now I would make them both red to signify a hairline, and double check that they're each hairlines. So click on one. You can see it's 9.9212. This, well, let me make sure it's unbroken. Group and ungroup. Yeah, let's ungroup them. So this one is a hairline and it's 9912. This one's smaller and it's a hairline. So that'll cut out on your plasma table. I do a lot of work with my laser and plasma table together. This is outstanding. I actually think he inset this. He either engraved that really deep and then set it in there. I mean, that adds a lot of bling. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.